Good day viewers, you are welcome. Before I try this simple functional equation, pause this video and give it a try. We are given f of 2 bracket g of xy equals 4xy cubed, and we are trying to look for g of 2f of xy equals what? Have you spotted the answer? If not, you can pause this video and check the answer in the comment box, and if there is no answer provided, you can keep on watching this video to the end. Let's consider the solution. The first thing we are going to do is, let's try to look for the general form of f of x, but we cannot achieve that by only letting 2g of xy equals another variable. That's how we have to understand the structure. Suppose I let if I let the whole of this to be t equals 2g of x y. Therefore, we are going to have f of t equals 4x y cubed. And after that, let's try to make y the subject of the formula. And we have y equals t divided by 2g of x. So let's try to substitute back into f of t. For every f of t, we are going to have 4 multiplied by x, then multiplied by y is now given as t divided by 2g of x, but all raised to the power of 3. So we can just try and rewrite this as f of t equals 4x multiplied by, so this t we take cubed, and the whole of this also, which is 2, we take cubed, and we have g of x also take cubed. So by continuing, we have f of t equals 4x multiplied by, this is t raised to the power 3, all divided by 2 raised to the power 3 is given as 8. Then we have g of x all raised to the power of 3. With this, 4 cancelled, it reduces 8, and we have this as 2. So this equals x t raised to the power 3 divided by 2 into bracket of g of x raised to the power of 3. Let's continue. So therefore we have f of t equals x t raised to the power 3 divided by 2 into bracket of g of x all raised to the power of 3. But we can just still rewrite this thing as, just try to separate this t cube totally, as we have f of t equals x divided by 2 into bracket of g of x raised to the power 3 multiplied by t cubed. And there's something we have to understand here. For f of t to be a valid function, that depends only on t, which is this, and the coefficient of this t cubed, which is x over 2 bracket g of x cubed. This must be a completely independent of x, and we are going to have it as a constant. Therefore, if I try to let c equals x divided by 2 into bracket of g of x cubed, that is, the f here, it takes the cubic functions, and therefore we are going to have f of t equals ct raised to the power of 3. And by changing this one to x, we are going to have f of x equals cx raised to the power of 3. Let's try to start this. And again, since what we need is g of 2 into bracket f of xy is what we are looking for, then let's try to find another general form. Considering from where we let c equals x divided by 2 into bracket of g of x cubed, then If I try to make g of x cubed the subject of the formula, or let's say I'm looking for g of x, we are going to have c multiplied by 2 into bracket of g of x cubed equals x. And if I try to divide both sides by 2c, we have only g of x cubed equals x divided by 2c. By taking the cube root of both sides, we have g of x equals the cube root of x divided by 2c. So since this is what we have as g of x equals cube root of x divided by 2c, and again, let's try to evaluate. If I try to evaluate the g of 2 f of x y, so this is where we are going. And to achieve this, suppose I consider from 2 f of xy, which is this inside the function g, and looking at f of x that we got above, we got f of x as cx raised to power of 3. So we just have this as 2 bracket cx raised to power of 3, then multiply by y. And the whole of this gives us 2cx raised to power 3y, which is 2f of xy. Then if I try to replace it, this with what we have, g of x equals the cube root of x over 2c. You know, this is x, this is x. When I change this x to 2c x raised to power 3y, it also affects this. So changing it to g into bracket of 2c x cubed y, we are going to have it as the cube root of, instead of x, we have it as 2c x cubed y divided by 2c. And the so-called this constant, which is 2c, which cancelled 2c. So we then have g of 2c x cubed y. This equals the cube root of x cubed y. And again, let's try to break this thing down. We can break this thing as cube root of x cubed multiplied by the cube root of y. If cube and cube root cancelled, we are going to have the g of, don't forget that we already let this c x raised to power 3 with f of x. We can just try and take it back, and we have 2 f of xy, and this equals, this remains x, then multiply by, I will have cube root of y. So this is the answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.